Hello, my name is Christy and this is the Lesson 29 worksheet. So the first worksheet is adding. So basically what we have to do is we have to add these numbers together. They're all in different place values, so this should be easier than normal. 200 plus 60 plus 3. So they're all in different place values. This is in the hundreds, tens, and ones, so we just have to smash them all together and get the answer like that. Same thing for number 2. This is in the tens, this is in the ones, so put the 4 in the tens place and the 2 in the ones place and you get your answer. It's the same for all of them. We can try number 11. 240 and 6. The 2 is in the hundreds, 4 is in the tens, and the 6 is in the ones, so the answer should be 246. Okay, next we have dividing. So basically you can draw it out. It might take some time, but it's still like just in case it's a little hard. So we draw 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then we divide them into 3 equal groups. So this is one group, this is one group, and this is one group. So we've divided them into 3 equal groups and we just count how many are in a group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 in a group, which means that the answer would be 5. Same thing goes for the rest. You can also do long division. So 68 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 6? 3 times. How many times was 3 times 2? 6. Bring down the 8. How many times does 2 go into 8? 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8, and we have a remainder of 0, so the answer should be 34. 14 divided by 2, you can do the same thing, or you can draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Divide them into 2 groups and count how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 in each group, so the answer should be 7. 12 divided by 3 would be 4. 10 divided by 5 would be 2. 9 divided by 72 would be 8. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 21 divided by 7, 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So these smaller numbers, you can just draw it out like 1, 2, 3, 4. Separate them into 2 equal groups and count how many are in each group. Okay, so next we have multiplication. So multiplication is like the opposite of division. You basically have 5 groups of 4. So 5 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. One group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So from here you count all the small circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's a total of 20 small circles, which means that the answer should be 20. Same goes for the rest. 6 times 6 is 36. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 5 is 45, 44, 30, 40. 9 times 4, 36, 18, 30, 9 times 3, 27, 6 times 6, 36, 9 times 4, 36, 88, 20, 55, 6 times 8 is 48, 12, 8, 10, and 42. For the 11s like these, it's basically just writing the number twice. It's like a double number because when you multiply by 11, at least up till 11 times 9, it's just the number twice. So if it's 11 times 2, it'd be 22. If it's 11 times 5, it'd be 55, regardless of what the number is. But this is only valid up till 11 times 9. So past that, it would be kind of different. For numbers that are multiplied to 10, you just change the tens place to the number that's being multiplied to. So if it's like 10 times 5, then the answer would be 50. And so you just change this tens place value. Okay, lastly, we have word problems. So Kai has 50 crayons, he breaks 28 of them and loses half of the remaining crayons. How many crayons does he have left? So he originally has 50 crayons and he breaks 28 of them. So 50 minus 28. The 0 turns into a 10 by bringing over a 1 from the 5. The 5 becomes a 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 2 is also 2. So he has 22, but that's not the answer because he also loses half of the remaining crayons, which means he loses 22 divided by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11, which means he has 11 crayons left. Okay, number 2, Lucas has 22 different books. 5 of them are red, 9 of them are green, and the rest are black. How many books are black? So basically, in order to find the total number of black books, we have to find the total number of red and green books. So in order to do this, we do 5 plus 9, and we know that 5 plus 9 equals 14. So out of the 22, 14 are red and green, so 22 minus 14. The 2 turns into a 12 by bringing over a 10 from the 2. The 2 becomes a 1. 12 minus 4 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So he has 8 black books. 8 books are black. Okay, Mark has 60 pennies and gets 2 more from his friends for his birthday. He loses 15 and gives away 9. How many pennies does he have now? So he has 60 and he gets 2 more from his friends for his birthday. So 60 plus 2 equals 62. Then he loses 15. 62 minus 15. The 2 becomes a 12 by bringing over a 10 from the 6. The 6 becomes a 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so we've done that. He loses 15. And then he gives away 9. So 47 minus 9. 7 becomes a 17 by bringing over a 10 from the 4. The 4 becomes a 3. 17 minus 9 is 8. 3 minus nothing is 3, which means the final answer should be 38 pennies. Whoa, okay. Lastly, Johnny has 35 pieces of candy. He finds one more on the floor, then shares with 16 of his friends. How many pieces of candy does he have left? So he has 35, and he finds one more on the floor, which means he has 36 pieces of candy. Then he shares it evenly with his 16. Oh, he shares with 16 of his friends. He shares 16 with his friends. So 36 minus 16. And then 6 minus 6 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, which means he has 20 pieces of candy left. Pieces of candy. Okay, I hope you get everything now and have a great rest of the week. Bye!